the world of ATS, our trucks start as blank canvases. The entire process, from receiving a turned-in truck to preparing it for a new driver, involves careful inspection, inventory management, decals, and maintenance. Let's talk with Dylan to learn more about the process of truck prepping.
So I'm Dylan Kuckerberg. I'm the assistant shop manager. I oversee the prep process of unmanned equipment, both here and the Porter shop. New trucks, when they roll into ATS, they're completely bare bones, no stickers, empty, they're fit to our spec. They all come through our safety lane, they get checked in, and then they'll sit in our new truck lot for however long until ops shows the needs for, say they need company flats or company vans or lease vans, lease flats. Then when we're ready for them, they come to our bays and we start upfitting them with all the equipment they need. So they will get everything starting with stickers, they'll get the full decals, they'll get inverters if it calls for it, they'll get deck plates, side boxes, headache racks. We wash them for the photo area when they get sold, and we'll wash them when they look really nasty, like this one should get washed, but right now with the way everything sits in the yard, it's all getting dirty, so we're not washing. When a truck gets turned in and the lease gets completed and that starts going through the prep process, we clean everything out. The whole truck gets detailed, mattress gets thrown, so when it comes through the prep process, you're getting a brand new mattress. We're getting everything prepped and ready for the new driver. We have a goal of trying to get a truck, once it's turned in, to have it completed and ready to lease in 18 days as a shop. Right now, obviously, everything that that truck needs kind of extends that time a little bit. So as we're getting rid of our more higher mileage trucks, that average is dropping. So we were sitting around 25 days, but now we're getting closer to that 18 again. When a truck is determined that it's ready to be leased again, I try to make sure that all the PM items are taken care of so they can stay away from the shop as long as possible. I think lease drivers are required to stop at an ATS facility once a year, and then company drivers would be every other. In between then, if there's ever issues, you can just schedule an appointment and you can come by anytime.
Recently, downtime has increased due to a parts and labor shortage in the industry. Click the link in the description below to learn more about why repairs are taking longer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more weekly truck driving videos. We'll see you in the next one.